Hi, my name is Brian, and in this video I'm going to teach you about Horizon's discount and travel fee options. To get started, let's review what you'll need to know. For discounts, they can be percent-based or a fixed dollar amount, and you can apply as many discounts as you'd like to the same invoice. For travel fees, it's a fixed amount per kilometer or mile, dependent upon where you live, and the distance is calculated from the address in your company information. Both discounts and travel fees are documented for accounting purposes and available in your business at a glance to review and/or data export. Now, to set up and manage these options, you'll want to navigate to Inspection Fees and Taxes under Section 2 Administration in your profile. Because it has its own section, let's deal with percent-based discounts first. The Invoice Discounting Options screen is where you'll manage all your percent-based discounts. In my case, I've already got one set up called Friends and Family for 10%. Now let's create a few examples together, starting with, say, a repeat client. Let's call it the same. Put the discount at 5%, click Save, and it's in my list of discounts. Just like that, it's done. How about the next one is for veterans and first responders? I'll put it at 15%, and just like before, after clicking Save, it's in my list, and we're done. Last one for good measure, and let's create a free inspection. This way, if you're ever comping an inspection, say as a marketing expense, instead of just putting the amount to zero, show them the actual amount with a proper invoice, and then discount the fee to free. See, you're getting a $600 inspection for free. You'll have a lot more perceived value this way, and your record keeping will be tidier too. Now you might have noticed there's no way to sort these discounts, so if you have a preference on their order, make sure to plan it out beforehand. Fortunately, if you delete and recreate the discounts, as long as you keep the names the same, the data will continue to be documented under the same headings for your accounting and business at a glance. Time for us to get back to Profile, and then into Inspection Fees and Taxes, which is literally to the left of discounts, so we can set up any fixed dollar amount discounts and our travel fee. For fixed amount discounts, such as a $25 referral, click Add a New Item, and in the description field, specify what the discount is for. In this case, I'm just going to put referral, and make sure to add a negative symbol before the amount. After clicking Save, it'll appear in the bottom of your invoice line items, like you see with mine. You can then use the sorting arrows to rearrange if you want. I think one example is good enough for this, so let's turn our attention to the travel fee. And as you can see, all you got to do is add your fee into this field. For me, that's 50 cents, and then click Save Travel Fee. It couldn't be simpler, eh? All right, let's go ahead and check out a work order. Okay, so let's go to the Inspection Type and Fee section. And you can see here, I've already got a couple items on the invoice, and both have a discount option to the right. These are your percent-based discounts. All you have to do is click on Discount beside the relevant line item and decide which to apply. After a discount has been applied, you can edit it and say round the fee to the nearest whole number. If you do, be sure to click Save to update your changes. Furthermore, you can also apply multiple discounts to the same item by repeating the process. If you have multiple items on your invoice like I do, you can also apply discounts independently to them, be it the same discount or different ones, giving you ultimate flexibility on what you discount and how much. Now, if you ever select the wrong discount, you'll need to remove it and start over. Also, please disregard the discounts option beside any discount you apply, as it currently has no purpose. For fixed amount discounts, they'll be in your list of invoice line items. These are not necessarily tied to a specific item on your invoice, but rather a flat discount on the subtotal. Simply add them to your invoice, and the discount gets applied to the subtotal. Identical to percent-based discounts, you can apply as many of these discounts as you'd like, and once on the invoice, you have the same options. And as you can see from my invoice, you can use a combination of both discount types if ever needed. Now let's set up a travel fee. At the pop-up window, it'll show your fee per kilometer or mile, and the one-way driving distance to the inspection address from your company's address. As I happen to be in Canada, it shows in kilometers, but in the United States, it'll show in miles. In this case, the property is 104 kilometers away, and I charge after 75 kilometers. Now, I charge one way, but not every inspector does this, and that's why the tool allows you to input the final distance based on your company's travel fee policies. As you can see though, my travel fee is now included on the invoice. After the travel fee has been applied, you can edit it as needed. However, if you miscalculated, you will need to delete the fee and start over. And just like any other line item on your invoice, you can discount your travel fee if necessary. Now, whenever your client sees an invoice, it'll look something like this. In my opinion, it's clean, simple, and easy to read. Exactly what the client needs. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you is how everything is recorded in Business at a Glance, which is accessible from your home screen. As you can see from mine, certain graphs like the sales chart will track and display your discounts and travel fees. It's a great way to quickly review your company's finances. Now, if you ever need to export this information, say for tax purposes, it's actually done through the Work Order Data Export under Section 2, Administration in your profile. All the relevant data is in the Inspection Type and Fee section, so make sure those boxes are checked before you do any exporting. Alright, this completes today's video on Horizon's discount and travel fee options. If you do have any questions or comments, put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, love life and have a wonderful day.